More traffic congestion, limited parking, and urbanization has generated demand for smart parking. But high cost and configuration complexities have become roadblocks. Our range of industrial switches help you manage a smart parking setup that's profitable for you while improving your guests' experience. Parking displays, indicators, license plate recognition, car finder, and payment systems are key elements of a smart parking system. D-Link industrial switches bring all these devices together. Easy to install with rugged durability, they can be exposed to outdoor environments and wide temperature ranges. This allows them to guarantee the ability to remotely monitor and control all aspects of your smart parking system. With railway networks, the stakes are high. Reliable equipment is vital to passengers' convenience and safety. Functions such as live information systems, Wi-Fi, and public address systems require flawless data transmission. Train signaling is of vital importance. Our switches are compliant with NEMA TS2 traffic control and EN 50121 four-way side control. Their rugged design is suited for inside stations and in wayside cabinets alike. Able to withstand extreme temperature, vibrations, EMC, as well as 6 kilovolt surge protection, they're built to last. Safety and performance are key in keeping factory production lines running smoothly. With big developments in areas such as automation, the factory is becoming increasingly dependent on its network. Redundancy features such as dual power input and rapid recovery ring with less than 20 milliseconds recovery means a network you can count on. Switches can be managed from a SCADA system for a holistic view of your network and react early to prevent downtime. D-Link Industrial Switch Solutions are ready to be your key partner in digital transformation, providing you with the reliability, resilience, and versatility you need, and at the same time, helping drive business value.